I'm also going to make it a point not to have very long of videos. I really shouldn't even have to point these out. They're obvious geometric shapes. Now that triangle is going to sit there for a minute, for a while the clouds roll through and past it. If the clouds stay consistent enough, I'll be able to see it as long as the clouds are there. I've sat and watched this for hours, wondering what they're doing, who they are. Are they us? Are they them? Does it matter? We're not alone. That much is obvious. I have nothing for love, but for any living thing. I have nothing but love, nothing but peace at heart for them. And that's all I ever wish upon anybody, including my enemies. Peace. I know forgiveness quite well. I also know the poisons of holding a grudge quite well. Nobody's perfect. Before I ever learned what holding a grudge could do, I was an ignorant man like anyone. I'm still an ignorant man because there's many things I don't know. But in fact, the path to enlightenment starts with realizing you don't know anything. That being said, let's learn together. Peace, love, harmony. The birds know it, the squirrels know it. Why can't we know it?